Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most fun beauty products out there. Today, we have something perfect for Halloween enthusiasts, introducing the best ghost press-on nails. These Halloween yellow flowers press-on nails are not only cute but also spooky with their adorable little ghost designs. If you're looking for a fast, hassle-free way to create a Halloween look, these are a must-have. These nails come in a set of 24 pieces, all designed to fit short square nails, making them perfect for anyone who loves a chic yet festive manicure. Each nail features a black matte finish, adorned with intricate yellow flower patterns and cute little ghost details that give off that perfect Halloween vibe. Whether you're attending a Halloween party or just want to add a touch of spooky fun to your daily style, these press-on nails are sure to make a statement. What's great about these nails is how easy they are to apply. No need for a salon visit. Just clean your natural nails, choose the right size press-on, apply the jelly glue, and press them on. It's that simple. These nails are full cover and designed to stay securely in place, so you don't have to worry about them coming off during daily activities. You can enjoy your spooky look with confidence, knowing that these nails will stay put throughout the day. The best part? These nails are super versatile. You can easily trim and shape them to match your style, whether you want them a bit shorter or perfectly square. They're perfect for women of all ages looking to add some Halloween flair without spending hours at a salon. Overall, these press-on nails from OCOUYVD are a fun and stylish way to rock your Halloween look. Whether you're dressing up or just feeling festive, they're a quick and affordable way to bring some Halloween magic to your nails. So, if you want to make this spooky season a bit more fabulous, these ghost press-on nails are definitely the way to go. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty product reviews here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.